Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Solid Trade Challenge. So, guys, today I'm gonna show you actually how to use this VIP indicator. And lots of guys have asked me that they have some problem to use the indicator. Actually, they don't. I mean, they didn't get these things properly. I have told them at live video call, but still. After doing this live video call they understood, but still I am gonna show you how to use properly this indicator, because sometimes just because of market fluctuation it shows the wrong direction signal. If maybe it will goes up, sometimes it shows it goes down. So on that time, uh, how to take this signal properly, I am gonna tell you. So without any wasting time, let's get started. So here you can see, guys, this is the Euro USD. I have set it. I have set this minute 1 minute candlestick chart, and uh, here you can see this channel is going up. Here you can see. So in these cases, you have to take always up signal. Here you can see this is the up signal. This is the up signal. This is up, this is up, this is up, this is up. So here you may see that down signal, but you shouldn't take this signal on down. Here you can see these things. So maybe you may win this if you take down, but still there are some risky situation always. So when it will goes up, you have to take only uptrend. Here you can here you can see the strong resistance. Here you can see, if I zoom in, uh, let me see. So here you can see the green line. Here you can see, and this is the strong strong support. Okay, so in these things you have to take you have to take uptrend when it will come near the support line. Here you can see the one more support line. Here you can see the green support line. Here you can see, here you can see there is three green support lines. So in these cases, this is hard to break this support line. So you have to wait for the support line signal. Otherwise you shouldn't take this signal without any resistance. Here also there is a resistance, but this is the YOLO resistance, this is the weak resistance. So here you can see the red line, this is the strong resistance, and this is all is support line. So here you can see this is the strong resistance line. So here the perfect signal you have gotten. Here you can see this is the perfect, because it touches this line. Here you can see, here you can see that it's channel is going down. Okay, here you can see these things. So this you have to take this trade like this way. And if you set 1 minute candlestick chart, you have to take for 5 minutes after this signal. And if you set 5 minute candlestick chart, you have to take 30 minutes. And if you 15 minutes chart, then you have to take 1 hour. If you 30 minutes chart, then you have to take 1.5 hours. Okay, so after this signal, you have to take 5 candle, 1 2 3 4 5 candlesticks. You have to set it for 5 candlesticks. Okay, here you can see the strong support, strong resistance level. So this is gonna be down for 5 minutes, 1 2 candle, and more 3 candles gonna be down. Okay, here you can see the support line. Okay, so this is the strong support line, it's hard to break. So if you take after this symbol for 5 minutes up, this is the up signal, arrow going up. So 1 2 3 4 5, you should you own perfectly. Okay, here almost, here you can see the strong resistance level. Here you can see Okay, this is the red line, strong resistance. So here you have to take 5 minutes trade for down, 1 2 3 4 5. So this is so easy to trade with this indicator. Here you can see the strong resistance lines, one here. Okay, so here you can see this is going up because this is the long shadow of the candlesticks. Here you can see if you take for 5 minutes trade for up, you definitely gonna win. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so here is, you can see you have to zoom out for these things. Here you can see this is I mean from here this going down strongly. Okay, so you have to always take resistance level trade or support level trade. Otherwise if you take trade on the middle portion like this, you may lose all your of I mean you may lose all of your money. Here we can see. So this is the only way the indicator gonna work. Here you can see these things, there is no support line, but these things going up. I have just told you that without any support and resistance level you can't take trade, because this is the fake signal. Here you can see two signal, but there is no support line, that's why it's showing like that. Okay, see here is no I mean there is no support line, but still it giving this signal. But you should avoid these things. Okay, so this is the only way to do trade like this way. Otherwise you may all of your money. If you have any problem, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Thank you guys for watching.